All right, so we're out here on a damage control job, and we set 6 traps out here the day before yesterday. Yesterday was freezing cold, everything was iced up, and beaver aren't going to swim out here to fix these dams and things when it's iced up. But last night it was in the 50s all night. Today it's in the 50s. Water's all unfrozen. Dam breaks that we put in yesterday, we put in day before yesterday, we put a dam break in here and one over there. This one had a 220 Canterbury in it, and we got ourselves a nice big fat floater this morning. Whew. Hammered right behind the head, just behind the shoulders here, deader than a doornail. So now this is gonna give us a chance to see what we can do with our new setter, try to get him out so we can do a reset. So now we get to see how this thing's gonna work with an animal in the trap. I'm gonna step on this thing, get this new setting tool I made in there, see if we can get this spring up here. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I like that. Now, see what the other side, how the other side operates here. Unfortunately, I got to kind of step on this beaver to get this to happen, but it is what it is. Here we go. Nothing to it. Get our beaver out, and we'll do a reset. Stay with us. This is our third set. We had 2 dam break sets. Had a beaver dead on a doornail in one of them. We got another 330 right here on a false slide. There's an area up here where they're coming to feed. A lot of fresh cuttings up in here. We put a false slide in, put a 330 in this channel. He was already locked down a little bit, squeezed down because of some roots coming out. So we dropped a 330 in here and got us another beaver. We'll get him out and do a reset. Yep. All right, guys, so we checked all 6 of our sets. We actually have the last 2 right here side by side. I've got a 330 and I've got a leg hold right here, number 4, Sleepy Creek, side by side on 2 possible slide locations. Lots of feeding going on up in here. Didn't get anything on either one of these traps, so we're 2 beaver out of 6 traps. That's not bad considering the ice just came off yesterday. I'll take that. Appreciate your views and we appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, for our business, all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. And I'll be back with another video as soon as I can. Thanks, guys.